Hello, trading is closed on September 4th, 2019. Let's go over our calls. So we had mixed signals. Commonest thing is a gap outside the range. We got that. Had an optional target, didn't print, we'll forget it. That's why it's optional. Look for the pattern with the early low. Tends to rally throughout the day, have a high in the final hour of trading. We got that. Tomorrow's pattern also has the early low. MEJT said this drop was false, wouldn't stick, and it's already retraced. We had a couple of targets for this advance. One was 29.34, that's right here. Other was 29.46. Without getting into it, today's high also works. As we said yesterday, pattern had the early low. Looked for one more move up, followed by a big reversal. This could be called another inverted, a diamond on stilts. Take the height of the stilt, take your fib ratio, there's today's high. We're trying to find the end of wave purple B, and our count has this as a 333, and as long as these things are all about the same height, that works. And if we start rallying, that idea is not going to work. If we top out here, looking for 27.40 on the downside. Well, here's our count. You got some fib ratios here. Not the prettiest in the world, but if we start dropping, you can explain it. We've had this big rally and we just can't clear these prior highs. So when you rally this long and can't break out of the consolidation, something has to give. Something has to give. We have a cup with a handle sloping up. It's supposed to be an unstable pattern. Once it starts dropping and breaks this slope, it's supposed to undercut the low of the cup. This is a 333. We really should be starting to drop right here because the W, the Y, and the Z should be equal in height or length, whatever you want to call it. So tomorrow could be a time of truth. Has a pattern with the early low, could gap up. We rally just short of clearing prior highs. If it's a 333, we should start dropping hard and fast from right about here. And if we gap up smartly, the calls kill before the open, and futures are already up. So I'm really looking for a reversal by the open. I suppose we could still hit 29.46, but frankly, I'd rather we didn't. I'd rather we drop right from the open. If we go too much higher than this, the idea is not going to work. I'm still assuming it will, and we'll find out tomorrow, I think, if I'm right or I'm wrong. So I think tomorrow's a moment of truth, pattern with the early low. If we start dropping right from the open, I think there'll be a long drop in front of us because this is a potential for the end of this 333. And if we break out smartly higher, it's going to be hard to justify that account. And that's today's call.